What's the best way to welcome a new subscriber? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Then we'll be using the AI wizard by Workload in order to craft a welcome email. And finally, we'll be sending that email through Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Mailchimp to Wizard to Gmail. And we're going to start by selecting our trigger, which is going to be in Mailchimp. And the event is going to be a new subscriber. Make sure we're connected to our Mailchimp account. If you have any trouble connecting to your Mailchimp account, check out the blog in the description. We want to select the list that this new subscriber has been added to. So our workload list. Then we'll test our trigger. And we have a new subscriber. So I'm going to click continue here. For our action step, we're going to use one of our tools. It's going to be our AI wizard by Workload. And the event is to prompt your data. What we're going to have the AI wizard do for us is craft a welcome email. The input data is just going to be their full name. I'm going to paste in a prompt. Create a friendly welcome email for a new lead. The email should use their full name and the salutation, thank them for joining, invite them to reach out if they have any questions or concerns, encourage them to add my email address to their contacts so emails don't get lost, and use Sincerely Elliot as the closing. Keep the tone casual but professional. Test that action. Hi, Jerry Richardson. Welcome to our community. We're thrilled to have you on board. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. To ensure you receive all of our updates, promotions, and important information, please add my email address to your contacts. Sincerely, Elliot. All right, that looks good to me. So I'm going to click continue. Now I'm going to add a step, and this is going to be in Gmail. And the event is going to be to send an email. Make sure we're connected to our Google account. Again, check out the blog in the description to get details about signing in to whatever apps we might be using in the workflow. The to email is going to come from that initial first step. I'm going to find the email address. The from email address, I'm going to use my own. And then I'm going to copy that and use that as the reply to email address as well. From me. And then the body of the email is going to come from that step 2. And I see they created a subject as well. We'll go ahead and click continue and then test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So I'm going to click continue here. I can look and see there's a green dot in the top corner of each of my nodes. And then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever I get a new subscriber in Mailchimp, the AI wizard by Workload will craft a welcome email and then send it through Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automatically generates an email whenever you have a new subscriber in Mailchimp. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any ideas for future videos or questions you might have. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.